Hi guys, morning. Welcome back. Today gonna be race day. They kind of speeding things up because they're behind. So I already got on my race suit. All of a sudden I got, Dream Racing sponsor Pearly, we out here doing big things. So we're gonna take the car out, we're gonna just warm it up, and we're going straight to the circuit. Yeah, we're gonna go to the circuit and do some laps real quick and see how she does. Alright, cool. So we're at the, I wouldn't say road course, it's a racetrack, and we're like one of the last people. You guys can see the background. That's the car we're going against. So we just gotta go faster than him around the road course. We never been on a road course, we don't have road car tires, so don't judge me, but we gonna send it anyways, okay? Brake fade or not, we drift into 34. I know that's what y'all wanna see me drift to 34. We just gonna be like, Alright, cool. So we just got down the road course. We got to do 10 laps. First time ever with this thing, and it ran perfect. I can't even complain about anything. Everything was good. We didn't spill no oil. We didn't break nothing. Besides brakes, I guess I could complain about brakes. We did have brake fade, but that was expected. Unfortunately, I can't tell you guys the results, but you guys will see it when y'all watch Banging Gears episode.
Well, Colette said that it was the best sounding fucking car out of all the cars, so that's good. And what else?
That's about it.
That's about it.
Alright, what's up, people? It's another day here. Yesterday we was doing some B-roll on the street and we broke an axle, so we're trying to figure out an axle dilemma for today before drag race. Drag race is at 11. It's like 8 o'clock here now. Luckily, Adam has a R32 GTR. He's getting dropped off here, so he's gonna let us steal his axle to drag race, and cross fingers we don't break it and we can give it back to him. We also got like another lead on the axle, so hopefully we can get that also. We'll see what happens though. So now I'm gonna just go ahead and pop off the wheel, pop the axle out, wait for his car to get dropped off. I'm helping pop some fuel injectors in there at the same time, then put my broken axle in his car so his car can go to dyno, and then I can go to drag strip. Then reverse order once I'm done doing drag, so I can give him his axle back. So shout out to Adam for being a trooper and looking out for your boy. Let's get his axle changed. Got it out, guys. Oh, I'm gonna drain the oil now. All right, so I'm gonna change the oil at the same time. Worst case scenario, Autumn car didn't get here yet, but if it doesn't, then we can drive the car in two-wheel drive, which is not too bad. Because I mean, I do have Hoosiers and it's a rear-wheel drive based car. I just can't launch it as hard as I want to. So, hey. All right, so in the middle of everything, trying to take off, well, getting my axle off and trying to help LZ get the Mendecas in, and trying to steal his axle. Somebody hit me up last minute. I got to tag that guy in here. He's somebody on IG that linked me with him. And we got an axle, so I didn't have to take LZ's axle. And we're good. Just in time to go drag racing, so we're gonna head over there right now. I drove it around the parking lot, it feels good, so I think we changed the right axle. So we'll see. So it's drag strip time. Let's go. Thing looks good in the sun. I can't keep showing it to you. Man, this thing looks fire. Alright, so we had the drag strip and we're just hanging out waiting to go. It's gonna be first time launching it with the sequential at a track. I ain't scared, but we gonna do it, you know what I'm saying? And then we getting to do it in the day, unlike everybody else I had to do it at night. It's still cold as balls, but at this point it is what it is. We ready to go. So let's go do some drag racing. Let's go eat up some McLaren. Or get ate up by some McLaren, whichever one. Alright, so we got the man here himself, Adam. What do you think my chances are with this McLaren here? You think I got him?
Which one are you going up against?
I'm going against the 765 LT.
So that thing's probably going to run like a mid-10.
Yeah.
It's not on the same tires as the other one, so like maybe mid to high 10.
Okay.
If you don't run a mid to high 10, I don't know, dude. I think you should be able to do it.
I think I got it. Hopefully I got it. Hopefully what he says is right. We're going against that carbon people.
Go soft on the launch.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
see you with a broken axle and then not be able to go.
Broken axle, we drive in two-wheel drive, that's the plan. This is the good Samaritan thing. He was going to give me his axle and just in time we got our own axle.
My car shows up. I haven't seen it in 3 months. Before I even see the car, Lee's got ejected, ready to steal axle. But you didn't have the right nut.
I didn't have the right
Sorry, you didn't have the right socket.
yeah.
If you had it, you already had my
I
axle.
was already the axle.
Yeah, it would have been all good.
It would have been all good. So, we should be good. Alright, cool. So I don't want to be that guy, but yeah, to make excuses. But I broke again. We broke the axle again. But I'm pretty sure I figured out what happened. So the all-wheel drive controller, which, you know, your boy ain't drove this thing in a while, so I forgot that you need to turn it off of auto, which auto automatically sends 50% when I go wide open and the car spins. Yeah, so that's what broke it, and I'm supposed to put it in manual mode. So they're gonna give us a chance to run again tomorrow. So this axle actually snapped in half. So we'll take the two broken axles, try to make one axles, we'll go back out there tomorrow and do some good deed. Whoop up on the McLaren. I can't tell you how fast the car went, but she healthy, baby. Well, I can. It went 10.3, 150. It's not the greatest, but better my PB now in this car so far. So making good track. Me and Steve got the car inside. Steve already diving into it, full speed over here, trying to get the axle out, and then we'll show you how it broke. It literally broke in half at the damn front of it, and I still went a 10.3 pass. Alright, so this is what we got here. We got broken axle number 1, which is all wiggly. We're gonna put him out. And then this one, you know, RB32, just making so much power. You know, just shear it right off. Look at that. Dang. So now, last solution, third try, was gonna be take two. Yep, take two broken ones, make a good one, and then we should be good. So that's the plan. I'll see y'all in a sec. Alright, cool. So today's another day, another axle. We got another axle. We could make those two work because they were two different brands. But luckily enough, somebody else in Vegas had another axle, which they took off of a car for us last night at like 12 o'clock. And they gave it to me. So hopefully we don't break this one. But I'm pretty sure, like I said, I think we got the problem solved with the all-wheel drive controller being on 50-50. So once I put it in manual mode and I set my percentage, we should be good now. So we should go be able to make passes and not break anything. That's the plan. If not, then I guess we got to forfeit the race and we're out of here. But that's not the plan. So I'll pop this axle back in, get the car cleaned up and down off the jack stand and out in the sun, warming up. Oh yeah, look at this KTM. Oh, this thing is good. He almost died going on the drag strip, but it's good. It has one of those Audi 5 cylinders in it. It makes like 600 horsepower. And we got this thing here. Alright, so we got the axle in and we're back at the track. The McLaren's here again. We're gonna re-race. He actually got to race somebody else also. So I got to see how it runs. Not really worried about beating him. I think we got it. Just keeping the car together and trying to run a better time than we did yesterday. So that's the plan. So hopefully everything goes good and we run a good time and we have a good time. A 9, baby, we need a 9.
We like, turn that shit.
Got this shit on. Got it on that question. Got it on a
Yeah, buddy. We think Adam turned it all the way up.
The 34?
Yeah.
I'm about to turn my Evo up.
Oh yeah, it was. I think turning it up. He turned it up a little bit too much. Smells like gear oil, so it's definitely something drivetrain related. See if we can find something.
Make the guys work. I don't want to see it.
No, you can, Adam, you can see it.
Oh yeah,
You can see it. You can see that too. Look at that ass.
it's leaking.
Back up. You put your head on that.
It's cracked.
Alright guys, that's it for the Bang Gears trip. Back at home base. Can't wait for it to come out. Sorry I can show you guys more, but it is what it is. The rules are the rules. So yeah, sorry about that. Want to give a big shout out to Sean, Sam, and Steve for putting up with all the madness of getting the car out there and helping me the whole time because it was freezing cold. We didn't really want to do shit, but we did it anyway. So shout out Adam for everything, and I can't wait for you guys to see it. The next video is going to be Black Dudes Drift. Y'all get to see us party in Cali with the Cali boys. See y'all in the next video. Later.